What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. Today is a crazy video. We got baby piglets. I mean, they are the cutest little thing ever. I've been hinting to you guys that this mama pig right here is going to give birth any day now, and look behind her. Oh my goodness. I'm not kidding you. I showed up to the farm and there was just baby piglets scattered everywhere. I'm hopping right on into the video, but just know today's crazy. We go buy a bunch of stuff. We have baby piglets. We build this. What I'm in right now, you've never seen this before. We just built this in today's video in order to keep her safe from all the predators. It's a crazy one. Stick along. Stay tuned to the end. Without further ado, enjoy. Oh my god. I just pulled up to the farm. Switch of events, switch of events, switch of events. Oh my gosh, there's baby pigs everywhere. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And there was a big iguana right there, and he might have been trying to get them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Little piggy. Oh, look at you. Look at you guys, look at you. Oh my gosh. I'm crying. I'm literally crying. I'm a proud father. I just brought them a bunch of coastal hay. Look, so that she can make a bed because I knew that belly was gonna pop any day. Oh, all right. I don't see any tragedies. I don't even know if she's having more or being a good mama or no. I hope she gives milk to them because that's one of the biggest things with pigs. Sometimes they neglect the babies. But it looks like she's laying sideways and she is being a good mama. Wow, 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 baby pigs, Cuffaros, baby pigs. This is crazy. I'm gonna film a little bit more on my phone. My goal is to get these two pigs out of here. And as bad as it is to say, the only place I have that's really secure that they can't get out of is the duck enclosure. So we're gonna put them into there for tonight. So, come on. I'm gonna try to get them out of here. Come on. As easy as that with pigs, I swear to you. Look at mama over here mudding. Laying in the mud, the babies are all right there. All 5. What a change of events, Cuffaro. Like, this is the best part about owning a farm. You come home and you really don't know what's to be expected. We knew it was coming, but I had other plans. I was going to actually bring her prior to labor over to the other house with a nice enclosure made specifically for her. Look how tiny you are. You guys are not even a day old yet. I love you. Hi, mama. Hi. You're just the cutest little thing. Look at you. Look at you. Look at that. Hey. Oh, you are just the littlest thing. Hi. You look like a little hog. You look like a little hog. You know that? But mom's over there. She ain't happy with me being here. Their umbilical cords are all still dragging along the ground. You guys must have just been born this morning. I missed it by a couple hours, but wow, man, just so cute. Look at the little things. They can barely walk. This one's falling over right here as he's trying to walk. Right, buddies? Look at the little face. Look at that little face. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm in a pickle here. This pig is definitely not getting along with these pigs. They are fighting each other through the fence, which is not good. So I gotta figure out what to do with this pig right here. Now, another thing is this mama pig right here. As you can see, that's mama, some babies right there, and then the other babies are where I just laid all that. The dad will not come out. I would like to get him out though, and I cannot. I had an entirely different video planned for today, but turn of events here, we gotta figure out what to do with these things ASAP, just due to the fact that predators can come and eat them at any moment. They're just little tiny innocent pigs. What do you think, bro?
Bro, they're so tiny.
They're so tiny. So it's been about 2 hours. I've been just contemplating what the heck I'm gonna do. I really would like to get her and the babies over to my other house, just so they're separated from all the farm and chaotic and craziness, and she has nothing that could kill them, because the other house is located in like a suburban town. There's no coyotes and raccoons and stuff that will eat these things. And I would also like to get this pig right here. You can see her. She's already kind of going through the bushes and started eating the grass over here. I would like to get her out of here and get her back into this enclosure because I don't want her to mess up the grass. So I've got a lot of stuff on my brain right now, a very hectic day ahead of me, and this came out of the snap of a finger out of nowhere. Why couldn't you wait one more day, mama? One more day. Look at him sleeping right there. We are heading to Walmart. We're gonna buy a dog cage, a bunch of blankets, and then hopefully after that we can come back home and try to get this pig into the truck. It's gonna be a mission. She's super aggressive. She doesn't want us to touch her right now. This is exactly why y'all watch my channel, huh? It's just random things every single day. Definitely a different type of video. Usually it's just we're bouncing around, cutting the clips, sound effects, music. This is definitely more of like a just vlog. You are coming along for one of the craziest days of my life. I hope you enjoy it. Smash the like button.
Stay
Let's go.
in the middle 2 lanes.
Let's go get this stuff. So the size of the box is how big it is. So yeah.
That's just 70 pounds.
We got it.
$110 you didn't expect to spend today.
You are 110% right. I just hit the camera so hard.
That was the fastest Walmart trip ever.
That was, we were in and out of there so quick. Not only do I like farm animals, got myself the biggest bag of animal crackers in there. Donkey. Dude, this is the one I want. This is beautiful. This is perfect.
Is this 400 or one thing is 400?
Yeah, I want to say that's on 400.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
Okay, that's not bad then.
And this is everything, and no pieces are missing?
No pieces. No.
Alright, let's definitely do this, bro, for sure.
You're everywhere, man. Snoop Dogg, yeah, freaking, I'm tweeting you out. But yeah, but I mean, these are the hashes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, there's the hashes.
Yeah. Let's do this one. Yeah. I'll pull the truck around.
Is it gonna fit in your truck?
What type of truck you got?
Tacoma.
Probably not. But we can hang it out the back. Strap it down.
Oh, I seen the video that you had like in terms of wood coming out your truck.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've done some crazy things, man. This will fit. So this right here is exactly what we bought. This is the cover. Oh my gosh, hi bud. What's going on, buddy? We made it happen. This is one of the craziest videos I've ever made in my entire life. My feet are on fire. We've got it locked down. This is a 10 by 10 by 6 enclosure. Very big enclosure, all gated in. We also got 6 bags of large flakes.
Bentley.
Bentley?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
I'll take a video for him. What up, Bentley? Here with your pops. Just got a bunch of crazy stuff for an upcoming video. So thanks for watching, Bentley. Appreciate you. Your dad's awesome.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, have a good day.
Oh, it's a whole family. Hey, what's going on? Oh, it's a bunch of Kevins. Hey, Kevins. See you later.
See you later, Kevin.
She's got all 5 right now, getting as much milk as they can, which I'm super glad. As I hold like 2 sandwiches I'm about to give to the pigs, I'm super glad that she's a good mama, because sometimes I've read, at least thankfully my last pig as well, Lulu, was a great mom, but sometimes they'll neglect a lot of the babies. That, or not neglect them, but they can't produce milk, or at least enough milk, and this could be some troubles. But it looks like she's doing a great job. You want a sandwich? There you go, bud. Here. Oh, all right, here. There you go. It's so muddy in there right now, it's nasty. So we do have a little bit bad news. I didn't see this until right now. Although we had 5 babies, typically a pig has 4 to 6, I believe is the numbers from what I remember about Lulu's birth at the vet and stuff. But Lulu's birth was a lot different because I was an indoor pig. This is, for instance, an outdoor pig, just chilling, like literally. But yeah, a little bit of news here for it. I just saw this looking at the ground, and if you look real closely, I don't know for sure, but yep, 100%. This is an undeveloped, so it never developed. I know it's nasty that I'm touching this with my hands, but see that? That's the pig's head, and that's the back. I do have the screen blurred, just because I will get demonetized if I don't, but you could see like the outline of that with the blurred screen. Yeah, a little nasty, but that right there is one that never developed correctly. So we would have had 6 babies, but at least it didn't come out alive and get eaten by something, or like, you know, whatever. I'm honestly impressed, mama. 5 very healthy looking, strong babies, 3 females and 2 males. Goats just got a fresh bale of hay. They're all like, woohoo! We had those goats on the farm here. Same exact scenario. Woke up, baby goats. Just vibing, bro. Look at this thing. You're loving life. You like the duck enclosure, huh? All 5. Look at them lay flat. Dude, that's insane. It's okay. The fact that I'm petting her like this right now is insane. Look, like she loves it. Man, watch your babies, man. You're kicking them. If I can get that cage up in front of her, and you can come from each side, and we'll turn the camera off, but we'll have to do this off camera.
Yeah.
And we'll just kind of like tease her way in. She's gonna flip when she's in the cage, but when she gets in the truck, she's set.
Yeah.
Look at me. It is currently what time is it? 4:30?
4:11.
4:11. I've been here since 10 a.m. trying to get this pig. Check this out. Okay, good girl. I'm so sorry. Definitely a stressful process.
Dude, what the heck?
Close the door. We're good. Let's get the road. Look at me, bro. I gotta jump in the pool or something, dude. Wow. Thank you.
Dude,
What a day. We haven't even built the enclosure yet. I'm not even gonna talk anymore. We got the mom. We got the 5 babies with her in the truck, in the AC. Thank you, boys. Here we go. Back to the house to then build more. We are back, and right next to the fish room, there's the fish room right there. There is the cage. What do you think, Chad?
dude, it's gonna be sweet.
Awesome. Like it's big, and that is going to go right here. We have the roof for it right there. It is time to build. If you're wondering where Mama Pig is, Danny Boy brought her here.
Yep.
She should be laying over here with her babies. We got the perimeter closed, of course, but yep, there she is. She is laying down being a good mama after transportation. All the babies are right around her drinking milk. And then once we finish this, we will kind of just walk her this way and get her right into there, and she'll be living in this 10 by 10 by 6. Sounds a lot smaller than it really is. It's big. And I can always open the door and let Mama roam.
It's huge. I barely have to duck.
I know. It's big, dude. It's a big old enclosure. All right, GoPro. We're moving. All right, GoPro. We are moving this cage where we want it. Wow, that's great. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. There it is. Oh yeah, watch this cube. There's your babies. You're welcome. What a day.
What do you have to say about that one, Paul?
What a day. Thank you to Ryan, Daniel, and Chad. Holy moly, man. Hey, mama. It is currently drizzling. Thankfully, you'll see I put a tarp in the back over there. We were working out here pretty late last night. We've got a tarp now covering the back where most of the rain's gonna come from so that she can't get wet being on this side. But yeah, nice little house. We got a bin last night. I filled that with food, a hose as well, water that I just redid recently. Hi, little buddy. And just a day later, the little piglets look so much better. A little, you know, thicker. They got a little bit more meat on them. You can see the other 3 are back there. And another one is over there just roaming around. They're starting to roam around a lot more. She's cleared like 3 plates of this already. I'm making sure she's got food at all times and obviously fresh water. This is the little piglet hut. They can go in right there, and they've actually been in it. It's nice and dry in here, especially since I put this tarp on the side. So now the rain can't come through the top there or through the sides. It's completely dry in here. Mama is doing pretty good. Her hair is all stuck up. She's probably like, get away from me. Look at the little baby run, look at him. So we have the female right there, female, female, male, male. The two darker babies are the males. Thank y'all so much for watching. This we had to do in just the nick of time, and we worked all day yesterday from literally 10 a.m. all the way till about 1 in the morning just to make this right here happen, because the weather has not been too great and she needed somewhere safe to be. So mama's good, babies are good. I will keep you updated, of course, so make sure you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. It's completely free. Smash the like button. Let's see 30,000 likes. Come on, baby piglets. And I do want you guys to name down below. I don't know which ones we're gonna name, but just throw names down below. 5 names, 10 names. We have 5 piglets, so if you want to name them one by one, do that down in the comments down below, because I will be picking some of the comments in this video only to actually permanently name our piglets. So look at these little things, so adorable. We now have 26 pigs. I could officially say I own 26 pigs. That is that's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all right here in the next video, of course, giving you another update on these babies right here. Subscribe. Peace. Now I wonder if you played this in reverse, would it look like I'm running forward? You're a wolf, you know, my little surfer, and no one.